Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warrior LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warrior LTV. Keep it locked.
I'm gonna tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? Set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this shit. Yes, brothers and sisters. Greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I, and all things good and wonderful amongst us. Not the lady here who me go show. Not the lady here. Welcome viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like content, subscribe and help grow the platform. You know, see, press the like button as well. You don't have to subscribe to do that. You know, see, it's still easy, just subscribe same time. Give thanks. You know, see. So we have a lady here. I remember from the other day, the farm worker them, you know, where their farm work. See, I complain about the condition where them have to abide under as visitors and some people farm. You know, see, and I express how it make them feel. See? So we see in a recent time, you know, I'm gonna go through social media and see a lady where is a farm worker too. We go up and farm work and come back. You know what I say? I don't know what she name, I just see she a burn out. Them farm worker, they wear a cuss. And I say things are normal. You know, see, even the man will drop off of the leather and then put him in a cherry cart and make a tractor drag him gone in the trailer when I have no shocks on it and nothing like that. No paramedics not there yet. And later on in the evening, paramedics come take him out. Or one bunk bed business will look like a ready-made. Somebody nail up something on a wall and put them for sleep and thing like that. You know, see it even under them visual evidence there. She has say them lazy. I have a video here. You know what happened? The video far longer than what I go show. I go cut it in half and show no half because I can't bother with fear inflammation. You know, see, she too inflaming as far as I am concerned. Nobody not supposed to cantanker us. So, you know, see, no, all the while on the hear me say, yes, all the while I am here, I always say, Babylon, some of Babylon, the most potent weapon amongst us, are some of I and I. See one of them here, which is the lady here, who we are going to show you. You know, see, bag of wire. See, because sarcastically says she's a farm worker, but it's obvious that she has never been there. And even if she has, seen at the wrong attitude that she take towards the youth, them. It's like she a campaign for a system where benefit from poor labor conditions, poor wage, and basically, you know, modern day slavery. You know, see? And I want somebody amongst us, a house slave amongst us always come out and talk like so, well then, things is not like how people is making out to be. Things is far better than, you know, people, them ungrateful and them sort of mentality there. You know, see, anyway, I'll play part of our video, probably about 5 minutes, but I didn't catch an idea, because I know, I not say her point. You know, see, so, I could jump in on it and then catch it on the flip side, see?
Uno little careless boy pan farm work in a foreign. Me make me video and me talk say uno fi come on and yard and if you no like the treatment. Hello, and the worst thing me go say to you, oh okay then. So uno no want to go over Canada, over there no live, and over there no come from, uno pay taxes, uno citizen. So what's so wrong with uno yard? Uno over Canada, and uno make one heap of problem, uno protest, uno rebel, uno want this, uno want that, uno want. Let me tell you something. Well me love, uno forget dip. All that uno boy over Canada pan farm work and make problem, uno forget dip. I wanna get dip, wanna forget ban. And make me see what I'm going to do. Uno over Canada and I feel like say Canada own some obligation and I have no rights in Canada for over their protest and a galang and a carry on themselves. But uno is fighting. All because uno want to bash Andrew. All because uno have the orange orange party behind that tell you say fi bash and you figure have sense. You figure have sense. Tap use politics and tap make politics use and trick you figure have sense. If you no go to Canada and go up on a farm and in a suit no want it down, no want 5-star hotel, come back on the yard. Oh, me forget. You no want nobody telling us if you come back on the yard and no want people telling us if you go to Canada, go pop down up there and tear down up there and carry on like when you know they are Jamaica. All of nasty boy, we up there and now clean up the place. You no forget dick. One on if you come back on the yard. Oh, nobody never tell you if you come back on the yard. So Canada for no come back on the yard. You no too workless. You no up there going like that. You no grow child. Let me tell you something. Me like him and them with over Suncrest Archid. Me like a Jamaican them with over Suncrest Archid. Yes man, big up Davarangs too, you know. Let me tell you something. Me like how not hold it down and now up there disgrace Jamaica. All because you don't want to have the yellow, the orange party. I tell you no what to do. The orange party. Oh, I feel bash Andrew. Okay then. Frig up on yourself. Stay up there and get a bag of problem and let me see which one of these parties gonna help you know. Let me see which one of them. And all of the orange people them we are run up and down and I use enough to bash Andrew. When time you get big dip and come back to Jamaica, me I go see how none of them are gonna help you know. You know go to Canada, you know go up to Canada, you know see up to Canada and you feel like say the condition on the suit you know. You know want to own a room, you know want 5-star treatment, you know go and you know like it come back. Oh, because me tell you if you come back on the yard, oh me I worse somebody, me not tell you if you turn up there right now, me I tell you if you get dip. Well I know if you get dip from Canada and bad. Me don't want the good suffer for the bad. Me don't want the good suffer for the bad, because me see enough from America out there me see. Then I complain and carry on and go along like you know have a problem, there's a right and wrong way to deal with things. But you feel like so you entitled to something and you have rights in the people in the country, you forget dip. All I know like a worthless boy, you forget dip. So but you only get farm work here because of noise. You only get farm work yard because you don't have noise. You don't know nothing about farming. A corruption make you not get all farm work yard. Corruption. You don't know nothing about farming. That's up there and ball and like baby and I complain about look a simple situation. And I know farm work have pros and cons. And I know still continue to go there. Tell me something. If you know it's been treated so bad, why not continue to go there? Why not continue to go there? Why not feel like somebody have to tell you to come back on the yard? Since you don't want to come back on the yard, pan on, if you not up at Canada and up there tear down the people in place and up there carrying on with the disgrace yourself, me wish you not get dip. All I want to forget wish. All I want to forget dip and ban from everywhere. Everywhere enough you go. See a reason why. You know a reason why you not feel left and gonna find work. That's the reason why. Anything put up a Jamaica and tear it down and pop it down. If one factory come right us and now come with union and tear it down and pop it down. And then one time union come and pop down the place down, nobody no hand no work. You know understand not for rich over all no feel like say Jamaica, Canada no own nothing. Canada no obligated for no air boy, no nasty boy, no forget dip. No nasty boy, no forget dip. All I wanna forget dip and bad. Make it real man them when want work, go on a Canada go work. Make it real man them. Some farm worker up there we do the right thing, big up on yourself. You don't know what you go about. You don't know what you go about. You don't have rights. Since you don't have rights and you don't get the rights and the claims, so you don't have come back on the yard. Since you don't have rights and you don't get the rights and the claims, so you don't have come back on the yard. Nasty boy, you don't come back on the yard. You don't have video and make video and about garbage and you go clean you up. Go clean you up or come back on the yard. Nasty boy, come back on the yard. All I wanna look a nasty boy in Canada, come back on the yard. You don't forget dip since I was not up in Canada. You don't feel like you don't have nobody enough to tell you to come home. Hello, so you don't have all these problems. You don't have all these problems. And nobody through me tell you to come home, me a boss is slave. Tell me something like what slave you know. What slave you know? Who will not tell you not pull you no can't go to Canada? Who slave you know? Who will not against you no will? Who a slave you know? And who no go on your own. And if you no come back here, when you no come back, you don't have to go back. When you come back, you don't have to get no call. You don't have to get no call back to go to Canada. You not disgrace to no country. All I know. If you don't have an issue and don't have a problem, there's a right and wrong way to deal with things. But all because...
Yes, either I don't hear it and see it again. Seeing? Once you disagree, I have something to say where some people don't agree with. In Jamaica, it's like, you is a Labour right or you is a PNP. It have to be politics. You know, see, and it's a simple form of poor petty rhetoric where them resort to in order to diminish a claim. You know, see, because Jamaican and a whole believe so much religiously in a politics that's from a man say, the goat there, the dog there, labor right. A man we have half the dog there, the goat there, and if say certain things side of the dog or goat feel, so the dog will go back and communicate it to the other side, and then all them sort of sting the dog salt because my labor right. And them way there. You know, see it? So people easily use them sort of argument, you know, to diminish one's intelligence, especially to the side where them are refer or is reflective of, or also when it comes to the legitimacy of the argument or your claims now, them make it seem as if it's because you are from an opposition party. Why you make them nefarious claims there, you make them claims they feel upset. I mean, I never see anything more ridiculous and sell out. I'm coming from a woman again. You know, see, no wonder the youth them today so vile. No wonder because of the mother them here, you know. Of the mother them here, the auntie them here, you know, the granny them here, you know. We are nudge them in the direction where them for go, you know. At them people, you prepare the future, you know, Rasta. You know, see it? Who I take handout, under the table, benefits from government. Them particular, what them do is politically beneficial, you know. But them make it look like so where other people do is for politics. While for them objective is more obvious than anything else because the man them they abroad. You don't even know what affiliation them people they abroad. Most of them people they then we get farm work ticket for go away is from the opposition party where in a power. So the party where in a power give the opposition followers them ticket for go on farm work. And not give him none of him supporter them none. For come back, come give. You can see the woman that look over her shoulder like she like somebody for fling a beer buckle and slap her with it. Because she knows she's well deserved it. Probably she'll look over her shoulder like that for quite some time now too. And will continue to keep doing so. You know see it? Because she decides to feed her belly have to eat. No matter what sort of brainwashing her propaganda. You know? Yes, Rasta. And it's obvious. It's a disgrace. You see, these are the type of mentality where we dwell amongst and try progress against Rasta. You know, see it? You know, see it? Yeah, for a petty change. You know, see it? Which one are we as Jamaican these days? Every Jamaican these days are where you jump up and shout for a particular political party, say it beneficial to them or beneficial to the growth and development of Jamaica. It's a sellout. You know, see it? It's somebody who employed that do a specific job for a specific party, with a favor or whatever. You know, see it? Because it's not so. Jamaica political party them these days are now performing at the interest of the masses. It's a capitalistic system. You know, see it? The workforce down there now get nothing. We see a KFC job application or job contract the other day, yeah, where 20,000 the people them get, I think $240 an hour. You know, see it? I mean, you look on it here, I say $240 an hour that are like £1.50 a Britain. Probably about $2. What me talk about $2? What me talk about? Yeah, probably about $2 US. You know, see it? Yeah, probably. You know, see it? An hour. Our people are for work. See it? While KFC are for pay people up here £12 an hour. You know, see it? And them slave labor that we have our people ma work with on the island. And them woman, you know, attacks, you know, I make speeches like them, yeah, when, you know, and again, shameless, because the truth is visible, it's real. You don't need nobody for hold your hand and point you, and wipe the matter them out of your big blind eye them for show you what go on. You know what you do, you know says a job you do for try to defame the man them to make the man them look like say, to diminish the man them claim like say, well, then it's not real. You know, I've never seen a more insensitive post. And she come back and I defend it and attack like say, she attack with authority, so much authority, so much love, she have for a political party, Rasta. You know, see? Anyway, and I give thanks, you know. See? Share, like, and subscribe. Rastafari.